Lot number 107, it's a 1970 International Fleet Star truck, got a Cummins diesel motor. Look at that flatbed, custom built flatbed, dual rear wheels. Good tires on it. September 29th, online only auction, Huron, South Dakota. BenMeyerAuctions.com is where you go to bid. I just want to do a bit. They drove it in here, and I just want to do a little video showing it does run and drive. Let's have that battery shut off there, and it's an automatic. There you go. You want to see the truck in person? Stop by our lot on October 29th during the day on Monday. The auction closes at night at 7 p.m. So thanks for looking. Good luck bidding. And hey, seems to be a good running driving truck. Thank you.